What if I told you you could use Google's Veo3 or for free, unlimited, and without paying a single rupee or dollar? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. And I'm going to show you exactly how. No shady hacks, no downloads, just a step-by-step method you can do right now. Whether you're a student, a solo creator, or just an AI enthusiast tired of expensive subscriptions, this is for you. My name's Aryan, and you're watching Nextgen Aryan, where I bring you free AI tools, and even premium ones, for zero cost. Alright. First step, grab your phone, open the Play Store, and download any VPN that has a USA server. Once you're connected, open Chrome and type Opal Google. Hit enter. Click on the link that says Welcome, Opal Google Experiment. Now click Sign into Opal. Choose the Google account you prefer, continue, and continue again. It'll ask for access to 5 Google services. Allow it. Now click Create New. And here's the fun part. We're going to make your own unlimited Veo3 video generator using the Gemini API for free. Type this in the prompt box. Create an app that asks for a language and a prompt, sends both to Veo3 to generate a video, and returns a playable, downloadable result. Hit send, then click Start. Enter your desired language. I prefer JSON for the best results. But English works too. Paste your text-to-video prompt, send it, and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Don't close the tab. When it's ready, click Download Video, and enjoy your free Veo3 creation. The results? Mind-blowing. And you can repeat this as many times as you want, completely free. But hurry. I don't know how long this will last. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and join me right here on Nextgen Aryan. See you in the next one.